Welcome back to Dubious Decisions Garage, where we apparently excel at making questionable life decisions. We're buying another car in the project because we certainly need more of them. Haven't finished on the Rat yet. Haven't even started on the Morris Buggy. But we're buying another one. You'll have to wait a couple minutes to find out what that is. But first, we have to get that Morris off of the trailer. So we're gonna get this unloaded tonight and then head out tomorrow after work to go pick up the new project. So should be exciting. And I need to stop getting on Facebook Marketplace. Really need to stop. Well, this is it, huh? Yep. I have a friend down in Provo that's got a number of these. Not as nice as yours, though.
No, that one, that's my wife's. I just got done putting a headliner in it, and let me tell you, not fun.
Well, this won't be getting a headliner. But it's, I mean, for what I'm wanting to do, it's right up my alley. I can straighten up that sheet metal well enough to be serviceable.
Well, you see what
oh yeah.
I'm getting ready. I got a aluminum head 427 Muncie 4-speed, narrowed rear end. That's getting ready to do wide body 69 on that one.
Okay. Oh, I can see on the back.
Yeah. The front and the back's going to be wide body. That's 3 inches in the front, 4 in the back. This is all. It's going to look ugly, but it should go pretty good. It's 555 horse aluminum head, Detroit power, fuel injection.
That's going to run.
Yeah.
That is going to run.
Getting ready to tub it out, mini tub it in the back. Them are the tires that fit on right now, but we're going about 3 inches wide. I think you'd have to fight the wife.
Yeah.
My dad, when I was about 6 or 7, maybe 8 years old, was a salesman for Ramblers.
Really?
In Vancouver, Washington. And he would occasionally drive a vehicle home. And one night he pulled into our little, we'll call it a garage, with a red with white topped convertible, one of those.
This, my wife's grandmother had one. And she remembered as a little kid riding in one, and she wanted one.
I don't remember how Ralph and I why we were together, but I rode in his car, and he had to take the front seat and weld the seat all the way back.
Oh yeah.
Because he was like 6'5".
I barely fit in this thing. I barely fit in it, and you know, what's funny is these motors stock have a funky color, kind of a green.
Motor?
Yeah.
4-cylinder in that, right?
Yep, little 1500.
Did they not have any of the hoods popped up at Millstream? I don't remember.
They could have. I don't remember.
They
I know
got,
I've seen
They got
over
every
the years.
generation of the. Have you been up to the Millstream Auto Museum in Willard? They got 5 or 6 of these.
Yep.
Hudson, Nash, and AMC.
Yeah, they were all the same car, just labeled different. 69 is getting ready to go wide body and everything on it. It had the 427 in it, but doing an LT4 supercharged in it. I want to be able to drive it, not just around town. So the 427, the Muncie, went into this.
Okay.
Tub in this, everything like that. It's going to have a whole lot bigger tires than that on it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Once we're done.
one of our friends really wants to see three.
right, so we're all loaded up, and got a strap I gotta add because the driver's doors open up. Its eyeball is falling out. Poor eyeball. We're not gonna reuse the eyeball. I'm gonna put some HID eyeballs in it, probably. I gotta get a strap onto this door so it doesn't open up on me going down the road. It don't latch. But apparently, and I was not aware of this, to get permission to buy the car, I apparently agreed without realizing that I'm gonna go buy my wife dinner at Ramen Garden. So we're gonna go eat some Ramen Garden, and then we're gonna take this thing home, get it tarped up. It's been getting rained in. But let's try to minimize the water getting in here. Don't need it getting any more damage than it already is. Pat, if you're watching this video, there's appears to be a smorgasbord of parts that you might be interested in, but I'm sure you'll give me a call. All right, see you later, friends. Short video, nice and sweet, to the point, and yeah, it should be a fun project. If you got ideas on what you think I should stick this on, because I am not restoring it, drop them down in the comments. Cherokee frame, half-ton Chevy COE, Freightliner, Geo-Tracker. I don't think Geo-Tracker is interesting enough. We got to do something more than just Geo-Tracker with this. Doing a Geo-Tracker on the Morris Minor. Let's do something else. Let's do something bigger, meaner. Yeah. Talk to you guys later. Bye.